discover the coolest new woodpeckers. Tools of 2025 that every woodworker needs to check out. Woodpeckers continues to set the standard for precision, quality and innovation with their latest lineup of woodworking tools. From advanced measuring systems to cutting-edge jigs and layout accessories, these tools are designed to enhance accuracy, speed and craftsmanship in every project. Perfect for professionals and passionate DIY woodworkers alike. Woodpeckers Bevel Block and Bevel Squares. The Woodpeckers Bevel Block and Bevel Squares are precision engineered tools designed for accurate angle setting and measurement. The Bevel Block, made from high quality machined aluminum, features 8 stepped surfaces that provide 24 physical angle references, including common mitre, 15 degrees, 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, 36 degrees, 45 degrees, and dovetail angles 1 to 6, 1 to 7, 1 to 8. By rotating the block, users can access primary, complementary, and supplementary angles. The bevel squares, crafted from stainless steel and aluminum, include a unique end locking mechanism with an internal wedge for firm blade locking, ensuring repeatable, accurate measurements, ideal for fine woodworking and joinery precision. Woodpeckers Hexscale Rule. The Woodpeckers Hexscale Rule is a precision-engineered, triangular woodworking ruler designed to enhance measurement accuracy and workflow efficiency. Featuring 6 different scales, left to right, right to left, and centering in both inches and millimeters, it eliminates the need for multiple tools. The hexagonal profile ensures the scale sits flat on the material, minimizing parallax errors. Laser engraved markings provide long-lasting precision, while the included stop enables quick, repeatable measurements. Available in 6 inches, 12 inches, 24 inches, and 36 inches sizes, the Hexscale can also be purchased as a complete set with 4 rules, 4 stops, and a wall-mounted rack for organized storage in any workshop. Woodpeckers Adjustable Setup Block. The Woodpeckers Adjustable Setup Block is a precision woodworking tool designed for quick, accurate, and repeatable setups. It features a 3-step system: quick adjust, micro adjust, and lock, for fine-tuning measurements with ease. The dual-scale design supports both metric and imperial readings, offering adjustments as fine as 1/64 inch or 0.5 millimeters. Crafted from solid, anodized aluminum with stainless steel inlays, it ensures durability and long-term accuracy. Ideal for setting blade heights, router bit depths, and fence positions, this tool replaces multiple setup blocks. It also includes a convenient, wall-mountable storage rack for easy organization in any workshop. Woodpeckers 6-in-1 Pocket Gauges. The Woodpeckers 6-in-1 Pocket Gauge is a compact precision measuring tool designed for accuracy and versatility in woodworking. Featuring interlocking stainless steel gear racks, it allows users to set, mark, and repeat precise measurements in both imperial 1/32 inch and metric 1 millimeter increments, with 6 core functions: height gauge, depth gauge, drill depth setter, marking gauge, center finder, and groove depth gauge. It's ideal for quick, accurate layout work. A locking knob ensures measurements stay secure, while the anodized aluminum and stainless steel construction guarantees durability. The tool also includes a convenient wall-mountable racket system for organized storage. Woodpeckers Pocket Compass. The Woodpeckers Pocket Compass is a precision-engineered tool designed for creating accurate circles and arcs with ease. Machined from durable anodized aluminum, it features laser-engraved inch and metric scales with plus or minus 0.004-inch accuracy. Its two-piece flat design ensures stability on work surfaces, while the stainless steel pivot pin stores safely inside the body. Available in standard and XL versions, it covers diameters from 1 inch to 21 inches, making it ideal for both small and large woodworking projects. The compass's quick lock mechanism and precision pencil guides allow for smooth, repeatable setups, perfect for layout work, templates, and precision joinery. Woodpeckers step gauges. The Woodpecker step gauges are precision machined measuring tools designed for quick and accurate setup of woodworking machines, such as router tables, table saws, and drill presses. Made from durable 3/32" stainless steel with a satin, non-glare finish, they eliminate parallax errors by using a physical step reference instead of scale readings. The set includes the step gauge RTS for router and saw height adjustments, and the step gauge DP for drill press depth stops. Each gauge is self-standing, engraved on both sides, and available in 1/16 inch or 1/32 inch graduations. A discontinued one-time tool, it remains a sought-after precision accessory. Woodpeckers Joiners Saddle Square. The Woodpeckers Joiners Saddle Square is a precision-engineered layout tool designed for professional woodworkers who demand accuracy and efficiency. Made from CNC-machined aircraft-grade aluminum, it features a unique wrap around saddle design that allows seamless marking around corners. The tool includes precisely spaced scribing holes in 1/32 inch or 1 mm increments for consistent parallel lines. Built-in angle guides, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees, provide quick reference for common cuts, while laser-engraved scales ensure long-lasting readability. Its anodized finish and stainless steel hardware guarantee durability, and the included racket wall mount keeps the tool conveniently stored and always ready for precise joinery work. Woodpeckers Mortise Base. The Woodpeckers Mortise Base is a precision router accessory that turns a plunge router into a stable and accurate mortising system. It features dual 2-inch aluminum fences that securely hold narrow stock on both sides, preventing rocking and ensuring smooth, precise cuts. The base connects to most plunge routers using interchangeable stainless steel guide rods in 4 sizes, offering wide compatibility. With adjustable fences, users can center or offset mortises easily. The engraved face indexing ensures perfect alignment on multiple pieces. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel, this durable base delivers professional-level mortising accuracy for woodworkers of all skill levels. Woodpeckers 3.5 inches and 6 inches delve square. The Woodpeckers 3.5 inch and 6 inch delve squares are precision-engineered layout and setup tools crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum for durability and accuracy. Designed for versatility, the 3.5 inch model suits small, detailed projects, while the 6 inch version excels in larger layouts. Both feature offset bases, 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch, ideal for mortise, tenon, and centered drilling tasks. With built-in scribing guides, multiple angle references, and integrated setup block steps, these squares combine the functions of several tools in one. Their anodized red finish ensures longevity, and each includes a convenient racket storage bracket for organised, easy access in any woodworking shop. Woodpeckers Poly-Gauge SS. The Woodpeckers Poly-Gauge SS is a precision-engineered stainless steel setup tool designed to simplify machine adjustments for polygonal woodworking projects. This limited edition one-time tool features 5 laser-cut angles: 45 degrees, 54 degrees, 60 degrees, 67.5 degrees, and 75 degrees, for perfectly aligning saws and fences when creating multi-sided shapes. Crafted from 1/16 inch thick stainless steel with an incredible accuracy of 0.0085 degrees, it ensures flawless results without trial and error. A dual-purpose magnetic knob allows both horizontal and vertical use, freeing hands during adjustments. Durable, sandblasted, and made in the USA, the Poly-Gauge SS delivers unmatched precision for miter, table, and jointer setups. Woodpeckers Engle Angle and Engle Angle Mini. The Woodpeckers Engle Angle and Engle Angle Mini are precision-engineered angle dividers designed for effortlessly bisecting angles in trim carpentry and woodworking. Based on a 1903 Stanley design, these tools are upgraded with aircraft-grade aluminum, stainless steel hardware, and nylon washers for smooth, durable operation. They automatically find the perfect bisected angle without any math or guesswork, ideal for corners that aren't square. The Engle Angle features 6-inch legs for larger work, while the Mini's 3-inch legs excel in tight spaces. Both include a padded storage hanger and Woodpecker's signature red anodized finish, ensuring precision, quality, and long-lasting performance. Woodpeckers Spline Jig. The Woodpeckers Spline Jig is a precision tool designed to create durable and decorative spline joints on mitered corners, ideal for boxes, frames, and cabinet doors. Compatible with both table saws and router tables, it ensures accurate and repeatable cuts. Its dual-purpose design accommodates projects from small picture frames to large cabinets. The jig's flip stops guarantee perfect alignment, while UHMW glide strips provide smooth motion. Constructed from aluminum supertracks and powder-coated steel, it offers exceptional durability. With a router, users can craft classic or decorative splines, adding both strength and visual appeal to woodworking projects. Woodpeckers Auxiliary Rip Fence. The Woodpeckers Auxiliary Rip Fence is a precision-engineered upgrade that enhances the accuracy and functionality of any standard table saw. Made from extruded aluminum, it remains perfectly straight and stable, unlike wood or plastic fences that can warp. It fits most saws using clamping blocks and installs in seconds. With 7 built-in T-tracks, it accommodates jigs, stops, and featherboards for versatile setups. The movable material support stabilizes large panels during cuts, while the fence's modular design allows for high, low, or L fence configurations. Available in 48-inch and 36-inch models, it's a durable professional quality accessory for precise woodworking. Woodpeckers Drill Press Protractor. The Woodpeckers Drill Press Protractor is a precision measuring tool designed for achieving exact angle settings on drill presses and other machines. Built from stainless steel and anodized aluminum, it combines durability with high accuracy. Its vernier scale enables angle adjustments accurate to 5 minutes, 1/12 of a degree, while dual-sided scales provide both degree and minute or quarter degree readings. The machined V-base aids in aligning round stock, and 2 locking screws ensure secure settings. A removable shaft mounts easily in the drill press chuck, making it ideal for aligning tables or setting precise angles on mitre gauges and bandsaws.